Same footage, same edit, same color grade. The only thing that changed was the sound. If you make videos for a living, you already know this, music and sound design are half the impact of anything you create. A mediocre shot with the right score feels cinematic. A beautiful shot with bad audio feels like a student film. And yet, for most of us, scoring our own work is the most painful part of the process. So when I found a tool that actually solves this in a way that doesn't feel like a compromise, I had to talk about it. Let me lay out the problem, because it's something every filmmaker and content creator deals with, and nobody really talks about how broken the current options are. Option 1, you license music and you go to a stock library, spend an hour scrolling through tracks that are almost right but never quite right. You find something decent, you cut your edit to fit the music instead of the other way around. Option 2, you hire a composer, which is great if you have the budget and the timeline, but for a YouTube video, a brand deliverable with 1 week turnaround, or a spec project, that math doesn't work most of the time. And option 3, you use a royalty-free AI music generator. You type in cinematic electronic and you get a generic 2-minute track that has nothing to do with the pacing, the cuts, or the emotional arc of your specific edit. You lay it under and hope for the best. None of those options are actually scoring to picture. They're all workarounds. And that's the gap Ace Studio just filled. Ace Studio is an AI music workstation. It's used by Hollywood and Grammy-level musicians. But the feature I want to focus on is called Video Composer. And the pitch is simple. You drop your video into the timeline and an AI agent analyzes your edit. Every scene, every cut, every shift in action and mood, and generates a score and sound effects that are built specifically for your footage. Not a generic track, not a loop, a custom composition that follows your edit. You describe what you're going for, cinematic, tense, uplifting, whatever the tone is, and it generates the music and lays it out on a timeline, synced to your cuts. And everything it generates is 100% royalty free. You own it, no licensing headaches. And here's the part that matters to me. It's all editable. You can move clips, trim them, refine the timing, layer in additional elements. It's not a black box that hands you a finished file. It's a timeline you can work with. It's just like any editor or DAW. All right, let me just play this. Same edit, 3 different audio treatments. That's the raw footage, no audio. You can see the shots work, but there's no emotional pull. Here's a royalty-free track I pulled from a library. It's fine, but listen to how the music doesn't follow the cuts. The energy stays flat when the edit is building. It's wallpaper, not a score. And here's what Video Composer generated. Listen to how the music shifts when the scene changes. The hits land on the cuts, the sound effects sync to the action. It's actually scoring to picture, not just playing underneath it. That's the difference between music that accompanies your edit and music that was built for it. Here's why this tool landed with me in a way that other AI music tools haven't. It starts with your edit, not with a text prompt in a vacuum, not with a genre drop-down menu. It looks at your actual footage, the pacing, the visual energy, the structure of your cuts, and builds the audio around that. The music serves the picture. That's how scoring actually works. And because it's a timeline, I can get in there and adjust. If a hit lands 2 frames late, I move it. If a section needs to breathe more, I trim the cue. I'm still the editor. The AI just gives me a starting point that's 80% of the way there instead of starting from 0. For my workflow, music videos, brand content, short films, travel pieces, this covers a huge range. Any project where I need a custom score but don't have the budget or the timeline to hire a dedicated composer, Video Composer fills the gap. And it fills it without asking me to give up control. That's the key. You stay in the driver's seat. The AI handles the groundwork. I want to be clear about who I think gets the most out of this, because it's not just filmmakers. If you're a YouTuber who's been using the same 3 royalty-free tracks on every video because you can't afford to license anything better, this changes that. Every video gets its own score now, built around your edit, royalty-free. If you're cutting ads or branded content on tight turnarounds and you've been hacking together audio in the last hour before deadline, this saves you real time. Import the cut, describe the vibe, generate, refine, and deliver. If you're a vlogger, a short filmmaker, a show reel editor, anyone who's ever felt like the audio was the weakest part of their output because they ran out of time or budget to do it right, This is built for that moment. And honestly, even if you work with composers regularly, this is a killer scratch track tool. Generate a score to picture, hand it to your composer as a reference, and you've just saved 3 rounds of revisions on the brief alone. If you want to try this, link is in the description. Head to Ace Studio, check out Video Composer, and use the code Jordan for 5% off your first payment. Import one of your own projects, let the agent score it, and then do the before and after yourself, because hearing the difference on your own footage is what sold me. This is one of those tools where 5 minutes with it tells you more than anything I can, so go try it yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Like always, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.